Welcome. Let's get your Windows 11 machine hooked up to AWS right now. No fluff, just facts. 3 easy steps today: install, verify, and configure. Let's dive right in. First up, grab that official AWS CLI version 2 MSI installer straight from Amazon's site. Double-click that downloaded file. When the setup wizard pops up, just go ahead and hit Next. Hit Install to handle those dependencies globally. Once it wraps up, click Finish. Simple as that. Moving to step 2, verification. Go ahead and fire up your Windows command prompt. Type AWS --version and hit Enter. This proves Windows actually sees the tool. Boom! You should see your version details, like AWS CLI 2.x, right on your screen. Finally, step 3 is authentication. We've got to securely link this terminal to your specific AWS account. Back in your command prompt or PowerShell, type in AWS configure to kick this off. Make sure you have your access key, secret key, region, and format ready to punch in. But wait, what if your system throws an error saying AWS isn't recognized? Don't panic. Open your Windows System Properties, click Advanced, and then hit Environment Variables. Just add the AWS CLI installation path to your variables and restart your command prompt. If that standard MSI installer completely fails you, we've got a backup plan: Python. Assuming Python's installed, just open your command prompt and run pip install AWS CLI. Easy. Verify again with AWS --version. Once that works, you're officially ready to build. Your AWS CLI is now fully armed and operational. What cloud resources will you manage first?